Hello everyone. Bonjour mes étudiants, my students. How are you? We are here again this week to learn another lesson in French. And today we have greetings. We are learning our greetings in French today. Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler français. Aujourd'hui, et avec notre goût. Nous allons apprendre français. Aujourd'hui, avec notre goût. Bonjour, je m'appelle Madame Ogou, je suis professeur de français. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les salutations en français. What am I saying? Today we're going to learn our greetings in French. In French, when you meet somebody, you say bonjour. Many of us know that bonjour is French. Bonjour. Bonjour means hello, good morning, or good day. Bonjour. Bonjour. Bonjour, Monique. Hello, Monique. Good morning, Monique. Bonjour, Siveria. And we can also ask somebody, how are you doing? Ça va? Ça va? How are you doing? How do we respond to ça va? You can respond using one of these ways. When somebody says, ça va? How are you doing? You can respond by saying, ça va bien? I'm doing fine. Ça va bien? I'm doing fine. If you're doing very well, it says, ça va très bien. Ça va très bien. I'm doing very good. If you're not doing good, somebody says, ça va, you can respond by answering, ça ne va pas. Ça ne va pas. I'm not doing good. If you're, for example, I have a terrible headache and somebody is asking me, ça va? I can say, ça va très mal. I'm not doing very well, I'm doing very bad. Ça va très mal. Or sometimes you hear such responses as, pas mal, or pas très bien, pas très bien. Pas mal means not bad, ça va, pas mal, not bad. Or you can also say, comme ci, comme ça, so. When somebody asks you, ça va, how are you? Say, comme ci, comme ça. Actually, ça va is an informal way of asking, how are you doing in French? The formal way is, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Maybe sometimes you hear people say, comment allez-vous? So we use comment allez-vous for an adult. It's a formal way of saying, how are you doing? To show respect to an adult, you say, comment allez-vous? You cannot say, ça va to an adult unless somebody you're very, very familiar with. You say, comment allez-vous? Like if you're a student and a teacher, you see me, you don't tell me ça va. You say, comment allez-vous, Madame Ogou? And I will answer you, je vais bien, merci. Or I can also say, ça va bien, merci. And then I can also ask you, comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? What's your name? And you say, je m'appelle Monique. My name is Monique. But you're a student, you're asking me what's my name. You cannot say, comment t'appelles-tu to me. You have to use the formal way of asking an adult, what's your name? So you hear something like, comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Then I will respond, je m'appelle Madame Ogou. Je m'appelle Madame Ogou. So let's recap what we just learned today. Bonjour, bonjour, ça va bien, merci, ça va bien, merci, ça va très bien. If I'm doing very well, remember, you say ça va très bien. If I'm not doing good, I say ça ne va pas bien, or ça va mal. Ça va mal, I'm not doing good. Ça va très mal, I'm doing very bad. For example, I have a serious headache. You ask me, ça va, I say, ça va très mal. Or, I say, not bad, pas mal. Not bad, pas mal. Or, I can say, comme ci, comme ça, so. I'm not doing good, I'm not doing bad. So I would like you to try to remember these few short sentences we've learned today. Next week, we're going to start with our verbs. The verb être, to be, in French. We need to know how to conjugate it because there's no sentence without a verb. That sentence will not have meaning. So today, I will keep, going over the videos and keep, repeating what you heard. So I'm saying au revoir, à la semaine prochaine. See you next week. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much. Au revoir.